Hello dear student, we are studying quantitative aptitude and today's question is A plus B can do a piece of work in 8 days, comma B and C can do it in 24 days while C and A can do it in 60 by 7 days. In how many days can C do it? Options given A 60, B 40, C 30 and D 10. In the question says A and B can do a work in 8 days, okay? And B and C can do that work in 24 days while C and A can do that work in 60 by 7 days. So only C how many days complete the work. Only C in how many days complete the work. This question asked in RRB 2011 and this question is from time and work chapter. Now according to question, in the question given the timing of A plus B, the working timing of A plus B is 8 days. So A plus B equals to 1 by 8. Take equation 1. Therefore the value of A will be equals to 1 by 8 minus B. In the second position, B and C complete the work in 24 days. So B plus C equals to 1 by 24 equals to, take equation 2. So B equals to 1 by 24 minus C. Next, C and A can do in work in 60 by 7 days. So C plus A equals to 7 by 60. Take equation 3. Therefore A equals to 7 by 60 minus C. 7 by 60 minus C. Now in the question asked only C how many days take to complete the work. Now adding this equation 1, 2 and 3 for finding the value of C. Adding the equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A equals to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 7 by 60. Here 2 will be common. So 2 into A plus B plus C equals to, now add this LHS term and after that we add RHS term. So its LCM will be 240, 30 plus 10 plus 4 into 7, 28 plus 28. 2 into A plus B plus C equals to, when add this term then it will be 68 by 240. Now we have to find the value of C. So put the value of A and B in the equation. Take the equation, suppose the equation is 4. So put the value of A and B in equation 4. When put the value of A and B, we find the value of C. Then when we put the value of A and B, then equation will be 2 into the value of A in C term, because we have to find the value of C. So 2 into 7 by 60 minus C plus 1 by 24 minus C plus C is equals to 60 by 240. Minus C plus C cancel to each other, then equation will be 2 into 7 by 60 plus 1 by 24 minus C is equals to 68 by 240. Or equation, now we solve the equation, then we find the value of C. So 2 into, take LCM, then will be 120 and 60 120, 40 plus 14 plus 5 minus 120C is equals to 68 by 240. Now add 14 plus 5 and 2 by 2 by 120 cut each other. Then 19 plus 19 minus 120C by 60 is equals to 68 by 240. After that we will do the cross multiplication. Then equation is 19 minus 120C is equals to 68 into 60 by 240. 240 cancel by 60 in 4 times. So, and 68 cancel by 4. Then equation will be 19 minus 120C equals to 17. Or 19 minus 17 equals to 120C. Therefore, C equals to 2 by 120 and 120 cancel by 2. So C equals to 1 by 60. Then it means C can do the work 1 by 60 part in one day. It means C can do the work, can do the full work, can do the 1 by 160. C can do the 1 by 60 part of full work in 1 day. Therefore, C take the time to complete the work is 60 days. So, time taken to complete the work by C is equals to 60 days. Answer option A, 60 days. So therefore its answer will be option A, 60. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days. B and C can do it in 24 days, while C and A can do it in 60 by 7 days. In how many days can C do it work? So answer option A, 60. And today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.